Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Realme UI 3.0 gain space tips and tricks in the Realme GT device. Yes friends, finally I did receive the early access update of the Realme UI 3.0 in this Realme GT device, and I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks related to this gain space which is present in the Realme GT with the Realme UI 3.0. As you can see friends, just today morning only I did receive the Realme UI 3.0 version, and I'm doing in-depth testing on this particular topic, which is regarding the RAM management test and touch sampling rate and high refresh rate games are supported or not. All these dots I'll definitely do in-depth testing, so make sure to follow the playlist friends. This playlist only can help you what is happening with the Realme UI 3.0, so only follow the playlist of the Realme UI 3.0 for more updates about this RAM management, what is happening and all those stages. But let's take a look at the gain space, what is going on and what are the tips and tricks which I can actually give you. This is exactly same gain space application which is present in the OnePlus Nord 2. Yes, exactly friends, same gain space. Let me show you the OnePlus Nord 2. So this is a OnePlus Nord 2's gain space. You can clearly see, and you can see the gain space in this phone. So yes, finally the Realme, I think they did implement same kind of options which are present, and I'm going to take you through what is the tips and tricks and all the features related to this gain space. First you open, so as soon as you open you will get this kind of main page, and here you can actually change the layouts. So two different layouts will be available, so which is pretty common, and there is two different columns. You can actually my games, whatever the games you install, and if you try to scroll side you will get the explore options or all those things related to this, some kind of news about the games will be there. And next here is the option which says the statistics. So gaming data will be stored. Let me need to give the permission. So here the gaming data will be stored. So with what game you played in the last 7 days, you can actually check clearly. In last 3 months you can check. As you can see from the data, Batman's mobile game I played for about 10 hours, 10.9 hours, Genshin Impact 2.4 hours in last 3 months of usage. In this you will be able to keep track of the data as well. That's another best thing. Next is regarding the, I think all the screen recordings and screenshots will be stored at one place. All the screen recordings which are game captures. As you can see, these are the things which got stored. That's fantastic. So these are the things which we got to know here. And what about this game? So if you try to long press on the games, you will get certain options, which is remove this game from the game space, uninstall the game captures which is there, which will take you to that particular game captures. This will include all the game captures, but this will include particular game captures. And once you tap again, so you'll be enter game focus mode by default. So this will slightly boost performance, and it will block everything, block calls, block notifications and everything. You can actually select this option maybe for the Battlegrounds mobile game in case if you wanted this option to have. As you can see, in this way you'll be able to get to know what games has got blocking system. So no calls, nothing will be allowed during this time. Everything will be blocked. As you can see, that's kind of another thing good to know, this kind of option. So do not enter, you can disable if you want. These are the few things, and let's go to the settings option. Let's see what is happening in this one. So game toolkit, I'll try to explain you what is the game toolkit. When you're trying to do the gameplay you'll be able to understand. So move games from the icons to games is, if you don't want to see all the game icons in the home screen and app drawer, you can actually use that. Answer calls and speakers, that's also available. Brightness lock, notification style, and 4D vibrations, finally it's there. Get an immersive audio visual gaming experience, finally the 4D vibrations, it's there. Yes, that's fantastic thing to know. But the only one thing is that whether game supports the 4D vibrations or not, that's kind of big question mark, because I did not see the OnePlus Nord 2 utilizing the 4D vibrations. No, I did not see that. But let's see whether the Realme will be able to utilize this kind of 4D vibration properly or not. That's another most important thing. And quick startup is also available. Quickly launch the games you play frequently, and game focus mode block everything. All the information is given here. Now let's test a couple of games. Maybe I'll try to test the Battlegrounds mobile game, and next I'll try to test the Asphalt 9 game. So now we discussed about the gain space. Now what about the game toolbar? So is the game toolbar which is completely redefined, as you can see, which is completely changed. Same like the OnePlus Nord 2 only, I'm getting same kind of interface, nothing much huge difference in interface. Same options. So performance or balanced mode, everything you can actually select from here. There's nothing much major difference. And screen recording touch optimization option is also available, and orientation lock and system status will give you the real-time floating FPS meter. Finally, this is a good news which I'm trying to mention. And bad news is that high refresh rate games not supporting in this phone. Yes, so that's kind of maybe in this gain space need to be updated. I'm not sure what is happening. This kind of early access update only still. So I'll try to update you regarding that I refreshed games, don't worry. So make sure to follow regularly. Right now we got the Battlegrounds mobile game. There's no problem with the Battlegrounds mobile game. I refreshed games, but some of the other games which are not supporting, I'll try to explain you clearly by playing some of the videos as well. But overall, the 90 FPS is 100% working, fantastic. You'll be able to see the real-time CPU and the GPU usage live. That's really very good advantage, friends. Real-time floating, which I'm trying to talk about from past, I think 1 year, I think, because MI they did implement in the developer options, but Realme is the one which is remaining, and finally it got implemented at this moment. And these are real-time floating applications, and these are the tips and tricks which I actually give you. Let me try to play one game just to show you what is happening with the vibration, whether I actually get any vibrations or not. Let's start the normal match. So let's put the light slightly volume. A new type of interface as well, of course. So vibration effect, let's say there is no vibration option to enable here, so nothing at all. Notifications, no, there is no 4D vibration. I cannot see any kind of 4D vibration. Maybe it must be integrated with the gameplay. Let's see in the Battlegrounds mobile game whether this will add or not. And right now I'm trying to fire, and no, there is no 4D vibrations, friends. It's not working in this game. I need to try a couple of games just to before coming into the conclusion, just to see what is happening as well in the game plan overall. And now because of this floating FPS meter, you will be able to see exactly what is going on with the FPS count perfectly. So let me check another game, which is maybe Asphalt 9 game. That game might support the 4D vibrations. Let's check. I'm just trying to do my best to post the video. And this is a quick tips and tricks and all the features related to the game space in the new Realme UI 3.0. So in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to do my best to post the videos. And this is a new layout, which is similar to the OnePlus as well. In the OnePlus, you need to swipe from the left and right to get this kind of toggle, but in the Realme there's the side gestures. That's kind of another thing which is available. And let me try to start playing the game. Let's skip all these things. Play. And let's see the real-time statistics, what we are getting. So real-time statistics, we should be able to see some kind of 60 FPS. Yes, exactly, we are seeing 60 FPS only. Until now there is no vibration. So usually there should be some kind of vibration little bit, but let's see in the starting effect whether we can actually get or not. In the iQOO 7 device I used to get the vibrations in the iQOO 7. Yes. Even with the Battlegrounds mobile game in the Asphalt 9 game, but right now in the Realme UI 3.0, no vibration, still no. And the sound volume I did keep. No vibrations, friends. Maybe they might be updating in the future updates, but till now there is no vibration. Till now you will be able to see exactly what is happening. Wow. You can see 60 FPS are maintaining exactly, nothing much problem. Wow. 55. You can see how it's maintaining the FPS real time. 57 I'm getting, 57. Not bad. So this is a quick testing, friends, on the game space and the features and tips and tricks. And thank you for watching this video. And in case if you have any other queries on this one, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.